Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you very much for listening to this YouTube channel. Friday, September 15th. It's also payday Friday. Our market dropped 82.06 points or down 1.32% to close at 6,126.34. Value turnover ballooned to 9 billion pesos. So our market ended on a fresh year-to-date low on late selling. It's Ftse rebalancing, which we discussed the other day. No? Actually, we were I already gave advanced institutional flows to our subscribers, and these funds just rebalance their portfolio. No? We're talking about RCR, Aboitiz Power. No? So anyway, Aboitiz Power, no, close at its low. No, the problem there is really the public float at 20.05%. No, so even before 2 years ago, when MSCI removed uh, Aboitiz Power from its portfolio, Aboitiz Power dropped to as low as 24 pesos only for it to recover no after ng selling pressure na yun. So let's see if ganito rin mangyari sa Aboitiz Power, and there will be some overhang here in the next few days. Hindi pa tapos yung mga selling dyan no. There will be some technical rebound for sure, no? RCR is one of those na talagang laki ng lugi ni Ftse dyan, no? Ftse added RCR I think last year, no? So they bought around close to 100 million shares, no? At around 6 or 7 pesos, tas binenta rin nila ngayon. So they have no choice but to sell the stock, no? So what is MSCI and what is Ftse? Ftse, MSCI, these are index trackers, no? So they are index providers, no? And in which institutional investors have no choice, no? So when a stock is added to the MSCI or Ftse, then these funds have no choice but to add the stock, the company, to their portfolio regardless of financial performance. They have their own metrics in which they don't disclose, no? So the most basic answer to that is it's just based on volume and market capitalization, no? But wala pang full proof na nakakagawa 100%, no? There are like simulations being made, no? They have this has a big chance of being added, or this stock has a big chance of being dropped from the MSCI or Ftse, but wala pang 100% foolproof. They don't disclose. That's a ano na talaga nila, proprietary metrics. Kasi yun yung binabayad sa index providers sa Ftse and MSCI, no? So they do quarterly rebalancing, no? But MSCI is more widely known. So every year they already announce kailan ang MSCI announcement ahead, no? So parang may schedule na yan, no? But we just need to follow the time zone kasi Europe company to no? Although they have their office in Zwillig, no? It's cheaper labor here, but the main office is really in Switzerland, no? But one metrics na being used right now is ESG ratings, no? So hindi pa masyado widely used, but MSCI is currently doing that already, no? And I guess Ftse, no? But anyway, the index spent most of the day in the red, no? Erasing the gains nung Thursday. I remember nung Thursday, nag-rally konti yung market, but binura rin kahapon sell-off yung dulo. So foreign selling continued for a massive 2.4 billion pesos, no? So it's a 20th day with a big volume, no? Sentiments also remained risk off as investors also digested the US data, and Please note, oil prices continues to go up. Magpa-full tank tayo. I think oil will go up 2 pesos per liter, which is a lot. No? So brace for impact. No? Rice is also going up. No? We just had a price cap, but hindi yan hindi yan sustainable. That's a band-aid solution. No? So next week, BSP will meet for rate setting. Let's see if what will BSP's move. No? So SM Prime is also down 2.65%. Ali is down 2.51%. ASEN emerged as a top index gainer despite being removed from the Ftse large cap index. This is just a technical rebound, I honestly think. No, so several weeks ago, several weeks ago, I told my subscribers, or at least my followers, to buy Ali. Tatlo yan eh. Ali, AC, and ASEN. So, during that time, there's this fund who wants to exit these three Ayala names. And we all know naman, just choose the leader. And we bought Ali, close to 24 pesos. It even dropped to as low as 23.50, only for it to recover close to 30. Syempre, hindi natin nabenta at pinakamataas, but 28, 29 should be fine, ASEN, I think was around 5 pesos. It recovered to 5.50. Just never look back. Nahulog uli. It's now below 5 pesos. AC is just range trading. It's one of those big caps na asarap i-range trade. If you know how to trade. Let's watch out for Aboitiz Power. Delikado talaga yan. Pag natanggal sa index yan, there will be more outflow. But it really depends on the management. If they really want these foreigners or at least these funds to sell, so that they can accumulate, tanggalin na nila sa index yan. Tapos ibalik na lang nila sa index eventually. It makes sense, Emperador has been doing that for quite some time. Emperador was removed from the index before. It dropped to as low as 12 pesos. The management bought Emperador that time. Then when it recovered, PSE added Emperador back to the index at 24 pesos. Right now, it's now trading at 20 pesos, and there's this big fund who wants to exit again in Emperador. We're talking about Aran or GIC, the sovereign fund of Singapore. Singapore Aran bought Emperador 2014, 2015. So definitely they're looking to exit there. Wala kasi masyadong liquidity ang Emperador. That's why it's not going up, it's not going down also. But it's a well controlled, so they have a dual listing also in Singapore. So let's see how this can affect the stock, the company. Anyway, Cebu Pacific, they're also revising its growth rate expectations downward for next year as they have concerns over the Airbus fleet that will affect the availability of their airlines, or at least yung mga airplanes sila 2024. Speaking of Cebu, Cebu Landmasters just bought a majority stake in Cloud Cart, which is an online grocery store. So definitely they're not discounting the fact that the digital economy is growing at the fastest pace in the Philippines, and we need to go digital. It's like go digital or go extinct. I'm sure some companies will also follow. That's the trend right now. May iwan ka na. And in the US, an online grocery is filing for an IPO, which is like close to several billion valuation. In the Philippines, these online groceries are not really making money, I'm telling you. Filipinos love to do grocery shopping, but they prefer it to do in person. So let's see how this will affect. Iba yung dynamics here in abroad. Tayo, masisipag sila kasi medyo tamad But that's a story there, no? Digital economy is growing, so I'm sure some names will also follow suit, no? At least to change the business model, lalo na if you have a big user base. No? Anyway, BPI also disclosed that Philippine Competition Committee issued the signed decision clearing them the proposed merger between BPI and Robinsons, no? Which we already discussed this the previous months, no? It's taking a while, no? But with this merger, the pressure is on for other banks, especially Metro Bank and other smaller banks out there, no? For you to grow a bank, you need to merge with other smaller banks. You don't just grow them organically, no? There will be some mergers and acquisition. BDO is not BDO right now without the merger of Equal 20 years ago, no? Or 10, 20 years ago. We're talking about Equitable. When BDO merged with Equitable, it created the biggest bank right now, no? Kung wala yan, BDO is not here, no? And BDO is definitely currently still looking for other acquisition there, no? Mga rural banks binibili nila, no? And of course, China Bank is also one of those diba? SM banks out there, definitely aggressively expanding, no? There's also a management change in China Bank na, no? So you got an investment banker as their president. Definitely there will be some changes in the directions of the company. So what else? So DigiPlus also approved, or at least got its SEC approval for increase in authorized capital stock. It took a while, no? This was filed I think last year, and definitely they were able to change the name from DigiPlus Corporation so DigiPlus Interactive Corporations, no? So let's see, no? If definitely yung mga ganitong plano or ganitong mga changes, they have big plans for this, no? For growth, for expansion, or even for capital raising, no? By the way, ASEN secured approval from the Board of Investments for Green Lane processing of projects, no? We're talking about Solar ACE 4, AC Laguna, AC Subic, Gigawind, and Ingrid Solar Power projects. FGen also said that they signed an agreement to supply power to Central Negros Electric Cooperative, Seneco, no? It's a subsidiary EDC, no? Energy Development Corp will provide an additional 20 megawatt for the Seneco's baseload power supply requirements starting this fourth quarter. AEV, no? One of their units, yung Aboitiz Data Innovation, said that AI is expected to boost the country's workforce, not replace people, no? So lahat right now nauuso na yung mga artificial intelligence that they're incorporating that, no? Machine learning, those are the keywords investors are looking at right now, no? So sabi nga nung the CEO of Aboitiz Data Innovation that AI would create more jobs as more information and knowledge would also create more opportunities in unexplored areas, no? So let's see. So they're slowly transforming Aboitiz Equity Venture from conglomerate to technoglomerate, no? Diba? With this move. So Ftse, no? Our passcode is Ftse rebalancing, no? Let's see next week, no? Talagang the problem there, no? If we further drop below 6,000, we might enter again into a technical recession, no? Why am I saying a technical recession? Sabi ko nga, that's the definition of a recession or a bear market. When the market dropped 20% from its recent peak, no? We're definitely in a bear market. But when our market recovers 20% from its recent low, that's bull market, no? But overall, the picture, we're just trading sideways, no? So in case mahulog yung market below 6,000, expect news to pick up. Sasabihin nila we're in a recession, but honestly, uh, we're not in a recession yet, no? Bakit? When you go outside, when you go out sa malls, no, there's a lot of people buying, no? And in the Philippines, where Christmas season started last week, no, we have the longest Christmas season. People are already flocking sa mga malls. There will be some mall-wide sales the coming months. Last year when I visited SM Mega Mall around the Burr months, people are buying Hydro Flask, Clean and Canteen, Aqua Flask, all these flasks, insulated tumblers. Ilang tumbler ba madadala mo per day, no? Some people are collecting them, no? For what? For whatever reasons. These are priced at 2,000 pesos per tumbler. Kung nasa recession na tayo, bakit kung recession tayo, walang pambili mga tao, no? You don't have purchasing power, but these people are ang haba ng pila eh. Right now, if you go outside, yes, it's true. Inflation is going up, rice is going up. People are attacking Neri Naig for her 1,000 pesos per week challenge. But if you check outside, people are lining up with BLK, Liao Liao. These are 200 pesos yogurt. No? So, if you do a 1,000 pesos challenge and kasama dun yung 200 pesos yogurt challenge ni BLK Liao Liao, di ba? People are lining up with this yogurt, no? Paano magiging recession? Ang dami pang gastos, no? 2 weeks ago, Starbucks launched its black pink frappuccino, 350 pesos. Di ko talaga trip eh. I mean, I never bothered to purchase, but based from the reviews, lasang tempera, lasang gamot. But these are 350 pesos. Kala ba walang panggastos mga Pilipino, 'di ba? So paano magiging recession 'yan, no? Wala pa naman, 'di ba? I guess we are in a recession if ako mismo mawalan ng trabaho, no? In which it means I will make money from my followers, no? Right now, I'm making money from trading the Psei and not from my followers. No? I share information to my followers for free because I don't need to make money out of my followers. No? I get information from Bloomberg, and which is a paid subscription. I'm just sharing it here, and I hope you appreciate that. No? Dami naman nating sinishare dito. No? By the way, no, Mega World, their mall, no, won 2 awards in the recently concluded Retail Asia Awards 2023. Good to know na lang yan, no? I know Mega World is undervalued, but right now there's no play to that, no? It's now trading or at least consolidating near 2 pesos, no? So trade lang yan, mga few cents benta, but other than that, mahirap bumalik ng 3 pesos yan. By the way, no, FEU's total revenue for its fiscal year, which ended last May, is up 20% year-on-year to around 4.94 billion, while net income jumped 24% year-on-year due to increase in student population. No? So, yun lang naman, no? Our passcode is Ftse, no? Thank you very much for listening. Bye.